Hi guys, it's a very tasty food. Once you start eating, you can't stop. Nothing can replace it unless you try, you won't believe me. So take 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 cup of almond meal and 1 cup of water. Mix them together, knead them a bit, pull them together, take 2 small balls, roll them into 2 thin pastries, stuff them with the grated cauliflower. When you grate cauliflower, please don't add salt. If it's watery, squeeze the cauliflower before you fill it in between the 2 pastries. So grate, squeeze, keep it in a bowl. Here's the cauliflower and I've grated it. Stuff it between the 2 pastries. Add some cumin seeds, like pinch of cumin seeds, pinch of salt, pinch of garam masala, some coriander leaves. Everything as per your taste, whatever feels good for you. But that's my preferences. Try as I have made it or I'm making it, and I bet you will never forget eating such a delicious thing. This is a favorite food in North India, which we eat mostly in the breakfast. And if you give it a try, you will be very happy. That's it. I will let you enjoy the music and enjoy this making of this roti. Please like and subscribe my recipe and my channel so that I can bring you more. Thank you.